What's up guys, Chubby Titans here bringing you my $400 gaming PC build. This is the one that I personally use. Oh, my finger got caught in there. This is the one that I personally use. Runs basically every game that I throw at it. I don't know, like it'll run it. Like Battlefield 3, for example, runs at like high medium settings. But anyways, let's get into the build. So I repurposed a couple parts. I have a very old ID DVD drive. It's slow. I don't know why I still have it in there because I don't really use DVDs. For my case, I have a iMicro case. It was nothing special. It was about $25 and it came with a 400-watt power supply. I thought that was going to be good, but it ended up being just absolute crap. So I do have two fans on the side. I have a blue one and a black one. They were both repurposed, so let me open this thing up so you guys can see. Alright, so I have my black fan right there and my blue fan right here. They're both hooked up right there. I repurposed those two parts. I also have a thing called a system blower. It's basically like a little fan right here, and it outputs the heat back there on the little vent. I have a 400-watt power supply. It's the Cooler Master Elite, as you can see right there. Like I said, I have that old DVD drive. My hard drive is a Western Digital 320 gigabyte. I think it's the blue version. It was like a bare bones thing, or OEM. Yeah, not bare bones. It was an OEM. So it was really cheap, and I didn't think I was going to need that much storage, but I'm going to end up getting more storage, because that's just not enough. So if you're building a gaming PC, I recommend getting, like, at least 500 gigabytes. I was, unfortunately, too cheap, trying to keep it, like, around 400. So, right here, I got my Kingston HyperX Blue. It's 1333 RAM, 4 gigabytes. Only one slot. I will, in the next month or two, I'm going to upgrade to 8 gigabytes. My processor that I have is an AMD 6100 clocked at 3.3 gigahertz with the stock cooler. Right as I bought the 6100, a couple days later, the 6300 went on sale for like the same price. So, kind of mad that I couldn't get that, but whatever. This is the motherboard that I have is a Gigabyte G78 LMT USB 3. Yes, I actually memorized that. Let me turn the computer around so you guys can see the ports. Put the case here. I'm gonna put the camera down. All right, let's move. Whoa. All right. So, right here, you got the back of the computer and all the ports. So, you got two USB, you got a mouse and keyboard PS2, you got DVI, it is, sorry, I still have the cases on because I've never used it. It's only the single. You got VGA right here, you got HDMI, you got two USB 3s, you have a gigabit Ethernet port, you got two more USBs, and you got the sound right here. And on the graphics card, let me turn this computer back around. Okay. Put that off to the side. Alright, so for my graphics card, I have a Gigabyte, it's the AMD 6670. It's the 2 gigabytes of the DDR3 version. Runs basically every game I throw at it around medium to high settings. Oh, I got an IDE cable because that thing's old. Oh, what did I do? Okay, so, what else? That's basically it that I have. It was around $400. The graphics card right now, I just saw a deal on it. It's $45 after a mail-in rebate, and usually it's like $70. So If you want to snatch that up, if you don't mind playing on like medium, maybe low settings. I don't know what games you're trying to play. The games I play, I've been playing Black Ops 2, Battlefield 3, a little bit of Dota 2, and some other games that I got with the Humble Bundle. They all play it fine. I think the graphics card's good. I am eventually going to upgrade to the 7870. It's actually really good. Run everything that I want. So yeah, there's my whole PC. And there. I don't have a fan in the front, which I wish I could, but this front panel is really hard to take off, and I don't really want to break it. So that's why I have the two fans right here and this little system blower right here, because I don't have a fan big enough to put right here. But yeah, that's my PC. Thanks for watching the video. Leave a like if you want to see more PC builds, or you would like, if you leave any comments if you have any questions about my PC. Make sure to subscribe, because you're awesome like that, and I will see you guys later.